Hi folks, welcome to another quick video from the Molten Motor Company. Again, we're just in the workshop working on a really fairly rare Jaguar these days. Is an X300 4-litre XJR on a 95 model year. And we've got various jobs to do on it. We've just in the process of doing the oil and filter. And we also carried out a cam cover gasket and seals because oil was going down the spark plug ports because obviously the seals had just gone really hard. And put a new wiper blade on it, put a new set of plugs in it, put an air filter in it. We've done the diff drain and oil change, or extraction and oil change, and now we're on with something which I thought you guys might be interested in. Actually, I'll just come round this side. Now what we're doing here is we're doing Eaton Supercharger oil change. Now most people neglect the superchargers. They don't do the oil changes. They didn't even know they had any oil in them. But it's something that we do if a customer requires. I'm just trying to see if I can see. You see, there's a little filler plug hole down there. Now then, the filler plug itself is on an Allen key, but this filler plug somebody had messed around with it, so it took a bit of getting out. Somebody had damaged it previously. So what we've done, you don't get a lot of oil in those, as you can see. And there's the colour of the oil, and there's the colour of the new oil there. They're not meant to have a lot in, and we've been really patient with our syringe and extracted at all different angles where the pipe can go as much oil as we can possibly get out of there. We can't even see any oil at the bottom with the torch now. If you can, I'm not sure if you can see in there or not. Just put the torch on a different setting, so I'm not sure if you can see, but you can't even see any oil in the bottom of it now. There will be little bits hidden, I imagine, but it's not something that we can extract any more out of, really. So what we're going to do now is we've extracted it, and now we're going to fill it up. So I thought that might be interesting to you guys. We've got a gearbox oil and filter to do still left on it. We've also done the fuel filter at the back. All these little things that people forget about. Transmission oil and filter, like I mentioned in my last video. Greasing of all the UJs at the back. Fuel filters, which are hidden away at the back underneath the car. And also, if you do have problems with the spark plug ports, gathering oil, it's because the seals in the middle, the spark plug port seals are probably basically gone hard and not sealing anymore. The actual gasket was hard, but it was still sealing around the cam cover. But it was the actual spark plug port seals that had gone hard, and they weren't, holding the oil back any longer. So we replaced everything as part of a kit that you can buy, and then we put a set of brand new plugs in it as well, put an air filter in, like I say. But this is something that I thought people might be interested in. We can offer this service if you have a X300 XJR-6, or if you have a 308 XJR, or an X150 XKR, X100 XKR. They've all got the superchargers on. Just checking your history and see if it's had a little oil change, the supercharger, because they do get a lot of work. I mean, they run at just such high speeds, it's crazy. So yeah, even though there's a little bit of oil there, it still needs changing. And on some of the other cars, you can get a little bit more oil out. Sometimes you get up to 225 mils out, but it just all depends on the car, really. But we're going to fill this up now to the correct level with brand new fluid using a clean syringe. And that's another little job done. So hopefully you liked the video, you found it interesting. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you do have a supercharger and you haven't had it serviced, next time you perhaps bring it to us for a service, let us know and we can do that for you as well. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.